Look, that looks like a little gold piece.
Does it?
That looks like gold on my finger there. I think we're rich. I'm gonna be able to quit my job now and I'm just gonna become a gold panner. What is going on, Adventure Nation? In this episode, Lori and I are doing some exploring around Juneau. This is TME with Paul and Lorena. I have never been out south of the office, so down towards this area called Thane. So Lori and I are going to drive down here a little bit today. Obviously it's not a very good hiking day, so we're not going to be doing any of that, but we are going to do some exploring, maybe some museums and stuff. What do you think?
Definitely. It's museum day.
Yeah, it looks more like an indoor day than an outdoor hiking day, right?
But we're driving and seeing the looks and the surroundings also. And right now is when you can see the waterfalls coming down. We're in an area that's very hilly, like the mountain is right next to the water. So you can actually see a lot of smaller waterfalls coming down. So we're seeing that too.
Yep, should be good.
Yeah.
And here we are. This is the end of the road. So no state maintenance beyond this point. And you can see the Juneau Channel, but there are some beautiful houses out here at the end of the road, and they're right on the channel. So they've got beautiful views of the channel out this side, which is pretty amazing. Oh yeah, some really nice houses down in there. Hear them clearing some land. Very pretty out here. Probably should have brought the GoPro to film today. Check out this old building, that's cool. Now this says no trespassing, AELPAJT, so we won't go too far in there because we're not supposed to. But that waterfall's amazing looking. It sucks that we can't go in there. Check this out. That is pretty cool in there. I wonder if there's other access we can go if we walk up the road a little further. Let's try that. Alaska Juneau something?
Transportation?
I don't know. All right, we were able to get down close to the waterfall here. Pretty crazy. Just absolutely beautiful down in here. Wow. Just picturesque as heck down in here. All right, we noticed this sign out in front of the car, so we're gonna come down here to the beach and check it out. Oh wow, right on the channel. Oh, this is beautiful out here. I wish it was sunny, but this is spectacular, and Juneau is somewhere up in that area. Wow.
And it's high tide too.
High tide, yeah. Said do not touch the salmon. Oh, I can see them right here. Look at all the salmon right here, Lori. Yeah, you're not gonna really see them on camera. I can see them down here. Oh yeah, you can see a couple of them. Down in there, salmon. They're in the shallows. And then over in this area here, there's quite a few that we can see. So this is a spawning area for salmon. That's why they say don't molest the fish. That is wild. Lots of dead salmon down and around in here though. You can see some that have already spawned and done their thing or been eaten by a bear. So yeah, we probably are in bear country here, Lori.
Yes, I was thinking about that. Probably this is where they come for the buffet.
Yep.
Because I see some bones that are clean.
All right, Miss Lorena, let's get out of here. I'm getting soaking wet. And I don't want to be caught up Sheep Creek without a paddle.
Don't know what to say about it.
All right, Lori, now you're getting the Alaska experience,
The Juneau experience.
The Juneau experience, yeah.
Everybody have told me all this time, this is not the norm, Sunday's not the norm, it's like rain is the norm, and now today they're like, welcome to Juneau.
Yeah, absolutely. So let's roll down, we're gonna hit the museums. Let's do that and stay dry for a little bit.
Yes.
All right, we're back in downtown Juneau now, and we are rolling through town, As you can see, the rain does not affect the tourists here in town. They're off the ships, wandering around, checking things out. It's pretty cool. All right, Lori and I got hungry. We were looking at all the restaurants as we were driving by. So now we're gonna stop here at the hangar. We're gonna go to a place called Pelmeni, or Pelmeni.
Highly recommended by a lot of
Yeah,
people.
highly recommended. And it is a Russian dumpling house, and supposedly everything in there is vegetarian. So off we go.
Never had that before.
No, and now we're in the hangar. Check that out. This is the building I came in with Lenny. It's beautiful in here. Oh, it is beautiful in here. Check that out. Absolutely gorgeous. So this is it, Pelmeni, the underground midnight cafe, authentic homemade Russian dumplings, also serving espresso drinks. I guess they're not serving those anymore. So very, very cool. Oh, this is awesome. All right, Lorena, I have been told now that it's Pelmeni, not Pelmeni, so Pelmeni. All right, what do you got?
Let's see.
All right, so a piece of rye bread there, and then some stuff on top. And
it's curry, sriracha, what else?
Butter. They poured butter over the top.
Oh,
and then
yeah.
these are potato dumplings. So, all right, take a bite. Let me hear what you got. Oh, and then there's some, yeah, a little sour cream
I still
as
need
well.
to mix it.
All right, you
So
still
you-
need to mix it. All right, I'll give you time and we'll come back.
Forward. Here's where you fast forward.
Oh, you fast forward. All right,
They're hot, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to taste it.
at least try one here. I'm wasting all this video for nothing.
No, this is fast forward.
Oh, this is all fast forward, but we're talking, so we can't do that. All right, Lori, let's do it. What do you got?
Let's see.
Are you gonna burn your mouth?
Let's see if it's hot. That's good.
Yeah, pretty good.
Oh.
You look confused, like maybe it's not so good.
The flavors.
Oh,
Like
flavors
many
are interesting?
Coming together.
Awesome. All right, Lorena, what did you think of Pelmeni?
It was good. My mouth's still on fire.
Yeah, it
I have
is
to
a little bit
say.
hot, isn't it?
It was a little bit hot, but the taste with the curry and the cilantro is like, it was very good.
Very
you have
cool.
to get used to or like that curry taste to like
Yeah,
that.
absolutely. I thought they were absolutely incredible. And now we're gonna head off to the State Museum and see what information we can garner from that. Oh wow, the start of the museum looks pretty cool. It was $14 each to come in, and now we're gonna just wander around. Yeah. This is pretty crazy. Woolly mammoth tusks. Wow, that's unreal. Very cool. This here represents the Southeast Alaska, like a traditional house, the native houses. So let's go inside. This is pretty cool here. This umiak, it says look up, this 34-foot umiak frame. And you look up, and here's this really cool boat frame. The size of that thing. Holy smokes. That is wild. So that is as long as our RV. This museum is really beautiful, so if you get to Juneau, I would highly recommend checking it out. This display is showing the different parts of the single kayak. It's kind of cool.
Oh, okay. I could see those.
Awesome. This room here is pretty cool. Very well done museum. That is really cool. And the train is really cool. We saw wreckage of that up at the mining museum. All this is about World War II. This section here is pretty interesting. And we've got a gentleman in here that builds a kayak right in front of you. Using old school techniques. That's awesome. And then the final room shows more modern stuff. Artworks and things. Alright, we probably should have looked at the hours before we went in. It closed at 4:30. We were only in there from 3:15 till 4:30, but we got to see a lot of cool stuff. So,
yeah, the last little bit was rushed, but at the same time, the last little bit, it was more like modern art and stuff like that. But I would have liked to see a little bit. There's a canoe maker. I would have like to hear more about it.
Yeah, that would have been really cool. But... And now we're trying to see if we can get out of the parking garage because the doors are shut.
We need to get out somehow.
All right, let's do it.
All right, people have been panning for gold in here, so I'm gonna stick my hand in here and see if I can pull up some gold.
He's gonna try his luck. He just doesn't have the pan though.
No, it kind of just looks like dirt.
Okay, let's see.
Not seeing any gold in there, folks. No, I don't think so. Yep, I guess I'm gonna have to keep working, Lori. Oh, I don't know. There looks like there's some gold pieces in there. Who knows? I don't know what gold looks like, so other than it's gold.
I think that would be...
No, there, look, that looks like a little gold piece.
Does it?
That looks like gold on my finger there. I think we're rich. I'm gonna be able to quit my job now, and I'm just gonna become a gold panner. Look, there's little pieces in there. That's gotta be gold.
Let me see. Okay, let me see.
Look, that's gotta be gold right there. Look at that little piece.
Kind of looks like it.
Kind of looks like it, right? So I think we can. I think we can retire.
I don't think we can retire in like $10.
I don't even know if that's $10, but that's gold. I know it is. Right there. Here, let me try one more scoop.
Don't lose that one.
I think I just lost the one I had.
Don't lose our retirement
Oh
fund.
yeah, not seeing the speckles like I did in that last one there.
And you already lost the speckles.
Yeah, and I lost the other one. I don't know. That's probably pyrite. I don't know. All right, we'll leave this to the people who know what the hell they're doing.
So we're not retiring.
We're not retiring anytime soon, no. We've toured around town a little bit, checked out a little bit to the south, some of the museum. We're right here at this beautiful Alaskan creek.
Not only is an Alaskan creek, it's where everything started.
Yes, it is where everything started. This is Gold Creek. This is where the gold rush kicked off here in the 1880s, actually around 1880. So very, very cool.
I know he knows all that because he's a tour guide.
Yeah, got that from my tour guide experience while I'm here. So it's been awesome. But this is where we're going to end this video. It'd be awesome if you hung out with us a little bit, got to know us. So that means they should
Subscribe.
hit that subscribe button. It'd be equally as cool if you liked the video. And we'll see you again in the next one. Bye now.
Look at that fog behind us.
The fog all up through the mountain. Very cool.